Shares of Norwegian Cruise Line were cruising higher this past week after the travel and tourism company delivered better than expected results in its fourth quarter earnings report, showing that demand for its cruises remained strong. Now, big picture, this is price action on the monthly chart. And what we can see is price forming or formed what I'm going to say a double bottom. And so with that double bottom, we have support at the $12 level. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, you can see price in a sideways market. You got to go back all the way to December of 2021. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at the results that were reported. So Norwegian edged out revenue estimates and offered better than expected guidance for 2024, showing that its recovery is expected to continue. As of Thursday's close, the stock was up 20% for the week. The company said it continued to see exceptional demand for Norwegian Cruise Line brand, and bookings and pricing are at higher levels for all fourth quarters of 2024 so far compared to 2023, as it entered the new year with its highest all-time bookings and pricing. Fourth quarter results were also solid, with revenue per passenger cruise day up 21% from 2019 and overall revenue up 34% from 2019. Yield, the industry term for pricing, was up 8.2% from the 2019 levels. Here's what the CEO of Norwegian Cruise Line had to say about their earnings. They experienced a momentous year of growth and achievements last year. They successfully took delivery of 3 new ships, one for each of our brands, representing the most deliveries in a single year in the company's 57-year history. All right, so what about forward guidance? Looking ahead to 2024, Norwegian's guidance was also promising, as the company sees net yield rising 5.5% and expects adjusted earnings per interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, also known as EBITDA, of $2.2 billion, up from the $1.9 billion in 2023. All right, so they appear to be running on all cylinders. Now, what's important to note is this 200-day moving average, and price currently is at that level, which is serving as dynamic, in this case, resistance. However, I think price has the momentum to move higher, and the chart would suggest to take some off the table. Scroll down to the daily chart. At the daily sellers level at $24, which was formed back in November of 2021, you had a drop in price, basing candles in the drop, and price actually came back to that lower portion of the zone once, twice, a third time, a fourth time, and you could say a fifth time. Try to get up to that level again, but couldn't. So it's definitely more unfilled sell orders, and this will be a great time to short the stock. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.